to Brave Mitsubishi. My name is Ruby and today we're doing a walk around video on this stunning blue 2018 Mitsubishi Triton in the Exceed. Now obviously we've got the MQ shape here. Personally it's my favourite, but the MR does look stunning as well. Being the Exceed, you've got that almost gunmetal grey sort of front grille there with your chrome Mitsubishi badge right in the middle, and then you've got the black honeycomb grille along the bottom as well, just to provide excellent airflow. Nice sharp projector headlights as well there, and you do have the daytime running light running through there with the indicator built into there, and your fog light on the bottom as well, so plenty of visibility for you as well. Front of the car presents really well. Obviously being a 2018 you wouldn't expect any less. Coming down to the first alloy wheel, really nice design Mitsubishi's gone for here with the different diamonds and everything running through it. Very nice wheel, unmarked as well, and heaps of tread on that tyre. Colour matched flare as well to go there too. Chrome side mirror and door handle as well, so again just ties in, makes it look a bit nicer. You do have the proximity key, so pushing the button on the door handle unlocks and locks the car, and your mirror does fold in when the car is locked, and folds back out when the car's unlocked. Indicator built into that side mirror, again just to clean up that whole front quarter. Now you do have the side step fitted down the bottom as well. Again, helps everyone with getting in and out of the car, as it is a bit of a bigger vehicle. Now being the Exceed, obviously you've got the full leather interior with all of your electric seat adjustments, and it's all in really good condition as well. All your scuff plates as well, completely unmarked, and your door looks really good as well, hasn't really been kicked open. So that's a good sign that it's been looked after. Now, working our way down, the paintwork looks incredible on this side, can't really fault it. One thing you'll notice with these Tritons as well is that J-line shape on the rear. So what that does is it gives the back seats a bit more of a recline to them, so the passengers are a bit more comfortable in the back, and gets an optimises your amount of legroom there. Now coming down to our second alloy wheel, again, really good condition on that wheel and heaps of tread on that tyre. Now just panning up, you do have the chrome sports bar fitted as well, so if you did want to take the tonneau cover off and rest anything against that, you can, and you're not going to mark any of your paintwork on the actual cabin. Opening up the tonneau cover, it is a flush mount tonneau cover, so nice and easy to unlock and lock. Now there is a very small mark here, probably from some keys trying to open up the tonneau cover, but again it is a work vehicle, nothing inconsistent. High mount brake light on the back there as well, with your reverse camera, chrome handle and chrome Mitsubishi badging as well. Now you do have the tow bar fitted, so that's going to help you out in the long run, and a rear step as well, so you don't have to always open up the back of the tub to get anything in and out. Opening it up, now it does have a bit of weight to it, so it is a bit less likely to just fall down or have any little kids or anything pull it down. Now tub line is already fitted, so obviously the paintwork is protected in the back, and it also makes it a bit not as noisy when you do have things in the back, because metal on metal is not a pleasant sound. Genuine carpet floor mats there as well. Now do that back up when we wrap up. Now coming around the passenger side, again paintwork looks phenomenal in this afternoon light. Fuel filler cap is on your passenger side. Now that is the safe side of the vehicle, so if you are on the side of the road for whatever reason, you don't have to worry about oncoming traffic if you are having to top up. Third alloy wheel, again excellent condition and heaps of tread on that tyre. Now your spare wheel is mounted underneath the tub, and it looks like it has never been used as well, so that's a bonus for you too. Privacy glass on the rear windows, so you don't have to worry about anyone being able to see if you do have anything in there, but I would highly recommend tinting the front ones as well to sort of match up. Fourth alloy wheel, again excellent condition and heaps of tread on that tyre, so you've got excellent paintwork all round, plenty of accessories ready to go for you, 4 good tyres and 4 good wheels. So what we'll do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Guys, looking under the bonnet now, we've got a 4-cylinder 2.4 litre turbo diesel engine with a 5-speed automatic gearbox. On the safety side of things, you've got a 5-star Ancap Safety Rating with 7 airbags throughout, so you know you and all of your passengers are going to be nice and safe in the vehicle. With this engine, you'll produce 133 kilowatts of power and 430 newton meters of torque. So plenty of torque there when you are needing to tow. On the fuel side of things, you've got a 75 litre diesel tank using about 7.6 litres per 100 kilometres, giving you an average of 987 kilometres to a tank of fuel. So that's some really good fuel economy there as well. If you do have the electric brakes as well, and you are towing something, you can tow up to 3.1 tonnes. That is incredible. Guys, inside the Triton now, and starting on the driver's side door, you've got this nice piano black surround to all of your power window controls, and your driver's side is automatic up and down. Just above that, you've also got your window lock. So if anyone in the back's getting a bit annoying playing with the window and all that, you can just lock them out. Now, looking through our steering wheel here, you do have a little height adjuster for your headlights. So if you do have a bit of weight in the back, and your headlights are pointing up to the sky, you can point them back down so you can actually see where you're going. Next to that, you've got a couple of blank buttons and your traction control button. Just above that, you've got all of your power mirror controls with a little button that folds them in as well. So if you are like parked on the side of the road or anything and you want to just fold them in, you can do so as well. Just next to that, you've also got your push button start stop button as well for the engine. So just push foot on the brake and push the button and you're good to go. On the right hand stalk, you have your indicators, fog lights and headlight controls. Now you do have automatic headlights in this model, so you can just flick it on auto and the car does all of the work for you and you don't have to worry about a thing. Left hand stalk, you have all of your washer and wiper controls. Again, wipers are automatic, so you can just flick it on auto and the car will do it all for you. On the steering wheel itself, really nice leather wrapped steering wheel, really nice design as well with the black leather and the sort of silvery bits as well surrounding the buttons. So on the right hand side, you have all of your cruise control and a speed limiter, and then on the left hand side, all your entertainment, so your volume, seeking, source, and then your Bluetooth as well, and your voice control. So if you're using the Apple CarPlay Android Auto, you can just use the voice control instead of actually touching the head unit and everything. You've also got your paddle shifts on the back as well, so you can shift through your gears with those or with the actual gear stick when you are in the sports shift mode. Looking into our centre screen now, so it is Mitsubishi's really nice Apple CarPlay Android Auto display with AM FM radio, digital radio, iPod connectivity, USB, Bluetooth and your Apple CarPlay Android Auto as well. So plenty of options for all of your media. And then you've got all of your settings and everything as well. Just underneath that, you've got your dual zone climate control, so your driver and passenger can have a different temperature if you like, or you can make them the same, whatever works for you, and you can just turn it off completely as well, and then using the fan speed button or the auto button will turn it back on. Under that, you do have your passenger seatbelt alarm, hazard light button, and then your heated front seats for the passenger and the driver. Rear diff lock as well, USB port in there, covered 12-volt socket. Under that you have another USB port and a HDMI port, bit of storage, and this little panel does come out as well, so if you want to hide anything underneath that you can, so maybe some coins or something like that, and then it just goes straight back in. Automatic shifter, and obviously you've got the sports shift as well, so you can shift through all your gears manually. Now there is a really nice display reverse camera as well, so just panning back up to the middle screen, you'll see you've got the green guidelines and the red one to show you when to stop, and you can very clearly see your tow bar as well, so no chance of backing into anything and leaving a tow bar sized hole, and it'll help line up with your trailer or whatever you are about to tow as well. Now just below the shifter you do have your 4-wheel drive selector, so this is Mitsubishi's 4-wheel drive Super Select. You can go between 2 high and 4 high while you're driving up to 100 kilometres, but to go between the others you will have to pull over and go into neutral. 2 keys with this as well, so nice and convenient for you. 2 nicely sized cup holders, hard handbrake, and then a nice centre console, which does have 2 compartments. First one is probably where you'd put your phone or your wallet or something, and then the second one you get plenty of storage, apparently some plastic, and a 12-volt socket as well. So I'll just get my camera person to pan around a little bit, show you the beautiful condition of the interior, and then we'll jump outside and wrap up the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video on this stunning 2018 Mitsubishi Triton. Now, just a couple things before I go. I would highly recommend asking us about the premium mechanical protection plan, especially if you are looking at keeping this car for a long time, as it will give you 10 years of platinum roadside assist and another 5 years on top of your factory warranty as well, of coverage on 181 parts on the car, mechanical, electrical, all that fun stuff, with a limit of $3,600 per claim and unlimited claims with no excess as well. So please ask us about that. If you are looking at finance options, our business managers Mario and Julie will be happy to tailor a package to suit your needs with that premium mechanical plan in it, and with our glass coat protection as well, to just help with protecting that beautiful blue paintwork as well. Again, please ask us about the glass coat when you do come down. Just one more thing, please go check out our Google reviews, sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide, so you can be assured you're dealing with a reputable dealership and you're dealing with the right people as well. So once again, the number to call is 9907 0555. My name's Ruby, and thank you for watching.